join you today from the ghats of Ma Ganga, where Kashiputra Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi will be seeking the blessings for a third term in India as Prime Minister. All eyes are on this holy city of Banaras in the seventh and final phase of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections, where Prime Minister Modi is contesting from. It's symbolic to think that right here in Kashi, the way to Delhi Darbar will be played out. In fact, continuing with his practice of seeking divine blessings and solace in prominent sites of Hindu pilgrimage, Prime Minister Modi, after campaigning ends, will head to Kanyakumari to meditate. Remember, after the 2014 elections, he paid homage to Chhatrapati Shivaji at Pratapgarh. This is where the Maratha brave won a crucial battle which paved his way for coronation. After 2019 election, Prime Minister meditated in a cave in Kedarnath, one of the 12 revered Jyotirlingas. In fact, this year, after the Prime Minister logs out of electioneering, he will meditate in Kanyakumari at the Rock Memorial and Dhyan Mandapam. It was here that Vivekananda meditated for 3 days and attained a vision for a developed India. The BJP today says that Prime Minister Modi will bring Swamiji's vision of a Viksit Bharat to life. While Prime Minister Narendra Modi unwinds and gets into spiritual mode, the opposition, of course, is getting tense. India Bloc has always mocked and derided Prime Minister Modi for promoting yoga and meditation. On World Yoga Day as well, Rahul Gandhi tweeted a picture of army dogs in yoga pose as New India. In 2019, when the Prime Minister went to meditate in Kedarnath, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra said Tapasya rids one of arrogance and hate, but it did not work for Modi. Ashok Gehlot called it polarization. When Prime Minister attended the historic yoga session at the United Nations headquarters, Congress posted a meme calling it Camera Asana. Shashi Tharoor also mocked the BJP for practicing Shirsh Asana by standing on its head and opposing UPA ideas like Aadhaar, FDI and GST. Even today, the opposition is seeing red over the Prime Minister's meditation plans. Tamil Nadu Congress has knocked the EC's door, saying that all this is drama to sway the voters in violation of the Model Code of Conduct. Chief Minister of Bengal, Mamata Banerjee, has asked if Prime Minister is greater than God, then why does he need to meditate at all? But the BJP has come out and said that the Prime Minister has always believed in Bharat's rich culture and traditions, and that's precisely what he will do. Listen in to this war of words.
घंटे को एक जैकेट चेंज करते, 1 घंटे को एक शर्ट चेंज करते हो, जहां गए वहां का बेस लगाते हो, जहां गए वहां का गमछा पहन लेके वोट के लिए दिखावा करते हैं.
The Prime Minister has always believed in the unity and integrity of India. He has always believed that India's rich culture, rich history, rich traditions, rich diversity are our strength.
कभी उनके चाय पे इनको दिक्कत होती है, कभी इनकी मेडिटेशन पे दिक्कत होती है. इनको दिक्कत होना चाहिए इनके डेवलपमेंट प्रोग्राम से. अगर इनके डेवलपमेंटल प्रोग्राम से कोई प्रॉब्लम है, बैठो आप उस मुद्दे पे बात करो आप.
On the news tonight, let's just fact check and tell you how Astha has always paid rich dividends for the BJP. In December 2021, after Prime Minister Modi inaugurated the Kashi Vishwanath corridor, BJP's vote share in the 2022 elections in Uttar Pradesh rose by 1.6%. When Prime Minister inaugurated Mahakaleshwar corridor ahead of the 2023 Madhya Pradesh polls, BJP's seat share increased by 54 seats and vote share rose by 7.5%. Similarly, after Prime Minister prayed at Bangladesh's Matua temple ahead of the 2021 Bengal elections, BJP's seat share increased by 74 seats. From 3 to 77 is what their tally became, and their vote share rose by almost 28%. Is this why the opposition today is in scared mode and fears Modi's meditation? So, ladies and gentlemen, The legitimate question we are asking on the News Hour tonight is meditation only the bahana, but as always, Modi is the nishana? That's the question, and that's the debate coming up on the other side.
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 1 on Times Now, Super Prime Time.
Joining me on the debate tonight, Gaurav Mishra, national spokesperson of the BJP. Joining me live here from Varanasi. Also joining me is Shantanu Gupta, author, right-wing thinker. Anand Ranganathan, as always, with us. Anand Ranganathan, author, scientist. What should I call you? What should I call you? Darling of social medias.
गंगा मैया के चरणों में समर्पित एक
ओके गंगा मैया के चरणों में समर्पित एक भारतीय नागरिक. Okay, and to my left is Tehseen Poonawala, political analyst, but breeds Congress Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday. I don't know what you do, Tehseen. But let me also introduce Mr. Ratnakar Tripathi, Congress leader, who joins me tonight. And thank you very much, Ratnakar Tripathi ji, for joining us here in the holy city of Kashi. Also joining us this evening is Dr. Abhishek Rai, spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. And Ratnakar Tripathi ji, let me just begin with you. Meditation Prime Minister has been doing for a long time. मतलब अब तो तीसरा चुनाव ऐसा है. Why does the opposition get so worried when the Prime Minister goes for meditation? Because after all, you know, it's the personal space. He is a contestant in Kashi. All campaigning will come to an end tomorrow evening at 5 p.m. After which, you know, he can take a little time off for a spiritual journey. What's the harm in that?
Nobody questions. Nobody ever questioned his asanas. As you said, it is personal. Yes, it is in personal capacity with the flashing of in the public. That is all. If he really wants to do the meditation, he should follow the Ashtanga Yoga. Yam, Niyam, Asam, Pranayam, Pratyahar, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. Why doesn't he do so? Every time he goes somewhere, either in the cave, this time he is saying that we will be having more seats from south, so he is doing it. Kanyakumari. So it is his personal choice. We don't comment. As you said, the meditation gives, if we go by your statistics, so I believe, you believe that it will increase the vote share and the seats of the parliament. Whenever he meditates, you said it so. Your data.
I'm only correlating facts that have happened on the ground.
So let is or indicates or reflects that the seats and the vote share increases. So I think he is going for the same. But you are in the city and of the whole Ganga. You very well know that I think every 80% of the people of Varanasi do meditation in different styles. They do not have a particular style of doing the meditation. You go to Vishwanath temple and you will find some people saying something to Lord Shiva. कि ऐसा हो गया, वैसा हो गया, अभी तक आपको नहीं देखा, and they are in samadhi. I have seen one person, one Muslim I have seen. He was folding the hands outside the Kashi Vishwanath temple. He was saying, गर तुम हिंदुओं के देवता तो हमारा कोई दावा नहीं, गर तुम विश्व के नाथ तो हमारी भी सुध लो. That is also a kind of meditation. So we are not questioning it. What we are questioning it, that why does he do so much of gimmicks? Nothing else. He is the Prime Minister.
Fantastic.
Have you just 10 seconds more, ma'am? Have you been to the ghat we were picked from? That is Ravidas Ghat. Go there, and you will just smell it stinking. Still, as I have faith, I took the water, I did Achman, I put it on my head, and I said कि गंगा मैया की जय in my heart. I didn't say it loudly. हमको विश्वास है कि ठीक है, वो सीवर भी अगर मोदी जी बहा रहे हैं तो गंगा जी हमको नहीं बीमार करेगी. But the BJP people will not drink from there. I am not asking about Gaurav Mishra. I know he is a gentleman, so I don't comment on it. But I tell you, you go there and you find stinking. Ganga is stinking. But still you are saying Ganga Putra. A self-proclaimed Ganga Putra. Ganga Putra. ऐसा कौन सा बेटा है जो माँ को इतना गंदा करके रखता है, मैडम? आप मुझे बताइए, आपके
चलिए।
ये जो बेटे हैं, इन्होंने आपको प्रेजेंटेशन के पहले अच्छे से तैयार कर दिया कि आप टीवी पे अच्छे से दिखें, आपको पसीने में नहीं रखा। आपके
पसीना तो
मैं बता रहा
काम करेगा
ऐसा
वो
कौन सा
पसीना
बेटा
बहाएगा, और पसीने में बहुत दम है। जितना गंगा मैया में दम है उतना पसीने में दम है। लेकिन आप कह रहे हैं कि व्हाई डजंट ही डू दिस प्राइवेट? तमाशा क्यों होता है? आई वांट टू शो यू दिस पिक्चर। ये मेरे हाथ में है, देख लीजिए। ये पहचानते होंगे ये तस्वीर।
ये कौन से इलेक्शन की समय की मैडम?
ये
नहीं,
जय माता दी,
एक मिनट,
वैष्णो देवी में
Let me ask you one
इंदिरा
question.
गांधी जाएं कैमरा के साथ।
गिव मी द लिबर्टी मैम, गिव मी द लिबर्टी।
पहुंचा कैसे होगा?
ये बताइए, ये किस इलेक्शन के बात की है?
इलेक्शन की बात नहीं है।
Everybody has photos.
अगर प्राइवेट विजिट है तो इलेक्शन हो या
मैडम,
ना हो,
मैडम,
कैमरा क्यों है?
मैडम।
अगर तब कैमरा था तो अब कैमरा से
मैं कैमरा
दिक्कत
की तो
क्यों
बात ही
है?
नहीं कर रहा
गौरव मिश्रा जी, जरा जवाब दे दीजिए।
देखिए, कांग्रेस की अपनी एक निजी समस्या है, जिन्होंने पूरे भारत को खंडित रूप में देखा है, फ्रैक्चर्ड देखा है और कभी भी एक रूप में स्वीकार नहीं किया है। इसलिए वो सनातन के उन सभी परंपराओं में छिद्रान्वेषण करते हैं और उसमें अपने लिए कुत्सित वोट बैंक की राजनीति खोजते हैं। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी जब पूरब में कामाख्या देवी में जब साधना करते हैं तो पूरब उनाकोटी से इनका सुपड़ा साफ हो जाता है और उनाकोटी जो देवताओं की बनाई हुई नगरी है, वहां तक कांग्रेस का कोई नेता पहुंच नहीं पाता है आज तक। वही प्रधानमंत्री जी जब आदि जगत गुरु शंकराचार्य के मंदिर श्रीनगर में जाते हैं और जब केदारनाथ में वो साधना करते हैं तो ये वहां से भी इनका सफाया हो जाता है। और अब जब दक्षिण में गए हैं तो निश्चित रूप से विवेकानंद जी के उस केव में गए हैं और ये कोई और नहीं है, ये वही नरेंद्र हैं जो पूरब में जन्म लिए थे और इस जन्म में पश्चिम के तट पर जन्म लिए हैं और अधूरे काम जो छोड़ गए थे वो इस जन्म में पूर्ण कर रहे हैं। और इनके पापों को कांग्रेस ने जो पाप किए हैं इस देश के साथ, जो खंडित करके इस देश को रखा है, देशवासियों को आपस में बांट करके रखा है, वही प्रधानमंत्री जी हैं जो तमिल काशी संगमम कराते हैं। इसी काशी से अगस्त मुनि दक्षिण में जाते हैं, पूजित होते हैं, विंध्य पर्वत को रोकते हैं। लेकिन इन्होंने तमिल को काशी वालों से लड़ाया और काशी वालों को तमिल से लड़ाया। ये इनका चाल चरित्र और ये इनका डीएनए है, इसलिए इनको सुहाता नहीं है। और रही आध्यात्म की जहां तक बात है, ठीक है, आध्यात्म सबका अपना निजी विषय हो सकता है, लेकिन ये भारत भूमि जो है उसकी जो आंतरिक चेतना है वो आध्यात्मिक ही है। कैलाश से कन्याकुमारी तक, कच्छ से कामाख्या तक उसको एक आध्यात्मिक एकता ही जोड़ती है, वो चेतना ही जोड़ती है। और उस चेतना को मारने का काम इसी काशी में कांग्रेस ने किया था। महात्मा गांधी जी इसी काशी में आए थे और रो पड़े थे इन लोगों के उस कुकर्म से, क्योंकि वो दर्शन नहीं कर पाए थे। और इसी काशी में इन्हीं घाटों पर कौन सा कुकर्म नहीं होता था 2014 के पहले? यहाँ पे शौच होता था, यहाँ पे भैंसों को नहलाया जाता था, ड्रग्स का कारोबार होता था, शीतला घाट पर बम विस्फोट हुए, दशाश्वमेध घाट पर बम विस्फोट हुए, कुकर विस्फोट और सिलेंडर विस्फोट बता करके उस पर पानी रफा दफा किया जाता था। गोदौलिया में बम विस्फोट हुआ, संकट मोचन में लाशों को हमने अपनी आंखों से देखा है, कचहरी में लाशों को अपनी आंखों से देखा है। कौन सा ऐसा जगह है जहां पर जान जाने का अपनी माँ और बहनों को डर नहीं रहता था अपने बच्चों के लिए? कोई माँ बेटी बहन बाहर निकलती नहीं थी। आज वो सारी बातें खत्म हो चुकी हैं। विकास लहलहा रहा है काशी में, 50,000 से करोड़ से ऊपर की योजनाएं यहाँ दिख रही हैं।
मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ अभिषेक राय जी आपसे, सवाल सिर्फ इतना है कि काशी से कन्याकुमारी रिश्ता भारत की संस्कृति में और भारत की स्पिरिचुअलिटी में बहुत गहरा है और आज से नहीं है, कई सेंचुरीज से है। The question is, if the Prime Minister goes to Kanyakumari, why does the opposition become so restless that it has to go to the Election Commission? आपको राम मंदिर नहीं जाना है, आप प्राण प्रतिष्ठा पर निमंत्रण मिलने पर भी नहीं गए। अखिलेश जी को नहीं जाना था राम मंदिर, वो अयोध्या के बॉर्डर तक गए, अयोध्या नहीं गए, राम मंदिर नहीं गए। ये उनकी अपनी इच्छा थी। लेकिन अगर प्रधानमंत्री की इच्छा स्वामी विवेकानंद के वहां जाकर साधना करने की है, तो विपक्ष को इतनी चिंता क्यों? इतना डरते आप क्यों हैं 4 जून से, और क्या होने वाला है 4 जून?
लेट मी टेल यू, आपने एक पंच लाइन कही थी, यू टोल्ड मी अ पंच लाइन दैट मोदी सर, I will call him sir because he's the honorable Prime Minister of India. I do have a respect for him. And what he's doing meditation. He's not doing meditation. He's doing modification. The word is modification, but he's doing modification. He just want to pretend what he want to show to the media and what he want to imbibe. Why he has to wait for 5 years? Why is the time for the election only? That is the main reason. We are not concerned. We are not harming anybody, and we are not saying about anything about Honorable Prime Minister. But we just want to ask a question. Just a simple question. Being in opposition in Uttar Pradesh and being the strongest opposition in Uttar Pradesh, we just want to ask a question. Where is the employment? Where is the inflation? He came to power not for doing meditation in India. He came to the power for talking of employment. He came to power for talking for inflation.
Fair enough. So Shantanu Gupta, लोगों ने तो देख लिया. People must have made up their minds in the last 10 years whether Prime Minister is delivering on the promises that he made or didn't, deliver on it. The people also know what India has gained and what India has lost in the last 10 years. In which case, Modi ji's meditation should not disturb them at all, because people already know the report card of Modi ji. Last ke 2 दिनों में क्या हो जाएगा? And 30th to 1st is almost like the 0 hour where to happen from this government to the next, whoever that is. In that period, if anybody clicks photographs of Prime Minister or puts it on media, why do they get so agitated and worried?
In fact, I got equally agitated when Rahul Gandhi posted his picture after voting. And there was a Jesus Mary and Jesus Christ photo on the background, right? And I guess BJP did not go to the election commission. See, Narendra Modi is fighting this election like a yagna, like a tapasya. He conducted himself like a tapasya in last 10 years. The way he campaigned for the last 50-60 days. 4 rallies a day, 5 rallies a day, then a road show, multiple interviews, right? He's giving Zahuti by his blood and sweat. And now he's going for meditation. I think what's the problem? I think it is the fundamental belief of Congress that if he goes to meditation, that will give a signal. The way I gave the signal, Rahul Gandhi gave the signal by putting the photo of Jesus Christ while his voting finger. I think they'll think Modi is giving the finger to the Hindu voters. I think that's their trauma.
So, Tehseen, the question here is, everything has been discussed, debated, picked up in rallies over the longest election ever. Between 30th of June and 1st of June, why does Prime Minister's meditation scare the Congress, the opposition, just so much?
Navika, first of all, thank you so much for having all of us here on the lap of Ma Ganga. Anand and me come the second day in a row, and we have the beautiful Aarti going on, the Ganga Aarti behind. So thank you so much in the holy city of Kashi. Nobody is scared of what the Honorable Prime Minister is doing. But look, we are in the lap of Ma Ganga. And the BJP spokesperson said, and I want you to hear, he said, that when Mahatma Gandhi came, he was very disappointed in Kashi, that the Congress had ruined Kashi. He said this. Mahatma Gandhi in his autobiography, My Experiments with the Truth, says he came in 1916. Congress ki government thi 1916 mein hai. You see, in the lap of Ma Ganga, BJP lies. This is My Experiments with the Truth. Now he says there was all illicit activities going on out here. He said it. 34 years since 1991 to 2024, 30 years has been a BJP MP. 30 years, except for one Congress MP. What illicit activities are going on? BJP is taking money. Why do you do this? The fact of the matter is, truth and BJP are opposite words, dramatically opposite. Even in the lap of Ma Ganga, as the Congress spokesperson rightly said, so many things have not been done. That is the question. The question is employment, inflation. What is the Prime Minister talking about? Muslim, Matan, Machli, Mujra. Should a Prime Minister who represents Kashi, the great city of Kashi, the timeless city of Kashi, talk about Mujra? I leave it here for your viewers.
Anand Ranganathan, come in.
First of all, good evening, Navika, and good evening to everyone, your viewers and my fellow panelists. Really, it's a divine moment, to be honest with you. I'm overwhelmed, but I have to say this. अभी आपकी हिंदी डिबेट में भी मैंने पार्टिसिपेट किया, अब इंग्लिश में आया तो ऐसा लग रहा है WWF के बाद चेस खेल रहा हूं मैं यहाँ पे. इतनी इरूडाइट डिस्कशंस और कांग्रेस स्पोक्स पर्सन ने इतना अच्छा बोला, बहुत सबने अच्छा बोला.
लेकिन मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ जो मेडिटेशन 2014 में नरेंद्र मोदी
अब आप इंग्लिश डिबेट में आ गए हैं.
So, sorry, a bit confused, yes. Queen's Gambit. So, in 2014, he went to Somnath to meditate just before the results, and BJP crossed 200. In 2019, he went to Kedarnath, it crossed 300. अब कन्याकुमारी जा रहे हैं, तो अब की बार अब पता नहीं क्या हो. बहरहाल एक आदमी आपने correlation भी दिखाया. You showed the correlation that when Narendra Modi goes to temples, the vote share increases. There is another Janayudhari who goes for temple runs, and you know what happens to the vote share. Whereas the point is this worth discussing? And I say yes. As much as it is worth discussing unemployment, which I have discussed yesterday, and price rise, and inflation, and so many other things. Why is this interesting? Why is this worth discussing? Because we are sitting in the lap of Mother Ganges, and we seem to be confused and lying through our teeth. We are calling ourselves a secular country when the government controls only Hindu temples. I would like to ask the Congress spokesperson, if you still believe we are secular, would you be all right if the state starts to control mosques and churches as well? You would say no. Then what kind of secularism is this? What kind of... Sir, I did not interrupt you. I want to finish in 2 points. Talking about Narendra Modi and, he's trying to milk all this. Well, who is stopping the Congress? When Somnath was to be consecrated, was it not Nehru who said, forbade the president to go to Somnath because he feared Hindu revivalism? Why is it that right from Jawaharlal Nehru to Rajiv Gandhi to Indira Gandhi to Rahul Gandhi, all of them have visited the Mazar of Babar, but none of them have visited Ram Janmasthan? Why is it? These questions need to be asked, Navika, because this is overwhelmingly a tolerant country, possibly because it is a Hindu country. A majority Hindu country, and you can't just take them for granted all the time. You can do it some of the time, but I'm sorry, Hindus are refusing to be taken granted now.
Ratnakar Tripathi.
Yeah, the punchline is, like Dr. Ranganathan said, it is a Hindu country. That is what I was saying.
Majority Hindu.
And I think, please, sir, you said it.
I corrected myself.
It is not slip of the tongue. It is in your heart, sir. You spitted it out, nothing else. I'm saying that Gaurav Mishra doesn't have any knowledge of Varanasi. That is what I'm very sorry to say, Gaurav. There is a whole locality of more than 800 houses, which is called Hanuman Ghat. The priests are here. They are Tamil. I have studied from Central Hindu Boys School. And then from Banaras University, my mathematics teacher was Dr. Kalpana.
There was no school.
Please, Shantanu.
He did not say
Please, Shantanu.
No,
don't
let me catch a lie at least.
Shantu Vaita Bhai is saying so.
Okay, fact check coming up. You make your point. You make your point, and then we'll do the fact check. Okay.
My professor Kalpana Dravid taught me. My senior was Sanjay Dravid. My friends were Shankar and Raman, who lived in the same locality of Hanuman Ghat. That is a Tamilian locality. One more thing is there. Nearly 3 decades, the BJP is ruling this from this city. They have all the, MLAs, the mayors, the corporators, everything. और अगर गौरव मिश्रा कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे लुच्चे लोफर रहते थे, गंजेड़ी और हेरोइन पीने वाले पेशाब करते थे, टट्टी करते थे, if he is saying so, what were they doing? I don't believe it. That means they were in hand and glove with the drug peddlers.
Ratnagar, I'm sure you understand. I'm sure you understand. The municipals are not run by member of parliament. They're run by the state government. And the state government are run by Samajwadi Party and BSP in the state.
Come on, no Samajwadi.
I am talking about the Samajwadi
Party. I will talk about Samajwadi Party.
The Ghats are not controlled by the state government.
That's true.
Right? They are corporators. 30 years, please. Let me. And is he, rejecting the Narendra Modi's idea? कि पश्चिम में जन्म हुआ? अरे he has categorically said I am not a biological person. मेरा जन्म हुआ नहीं हुआ है. मुझे परमात्मा ने भेजा है. Then he said मैं अविनाशी हूँ. अविनाशी मतलब ही स्टेट महादेव. क्या गौरव जी?
अच्छा,
आप नरेंद्र मोदी को कंडेम कर रहे हैं.
You said you are very religious, which is correct.
I respect that. I am spiritualist.
Spiritual. तो आप नहीं मानते आपको परमात्मा ने भेजा?
किसको?
आपको.
नहीं, हम बायोलॉजिकली पैदा हुआ हूँ ना सर.
आपको
मुझे मेरे माँ बाप ने जन्म दिया है. नरेंद्र मोदी को उनके माँ बाप ने जन्म दिया. उन्होंने कैटेगरिकली कहा.
I don't think.
That is not what he said.
I am convinced.
That is not what he said. This is not
the level of debate. That will be the level of
Well,
votes.
okay. Counters.
मुझे जन्म दिया
Navika,
गया।
Counters coming in.
Navika, just
Counters
one
coming in from this side.
Just one liner. If this is the level of debate, that'll be the level of votes.
No, this is the level of debate. Because Prime Minister...
That will be the level of votes also and seats also.
The level of Prime Minister...
You don't worry about that.
He
You will
talks
see in
about
UP.
Mujra. I don't know what Mujra is. Has he seen Mujra? How did it define? I have seen Nartan. नृत्य मैंने देखा है, मुजरा किसने देखा है? Has he seen it?
आपको शायद सफाई ले
You want to
लेंगे।
say it?
शायद अखिलेश भैया आपको सफाई ले
It's a
लेंगे।
figure of speech
You want to say it?
शायद अखिलेश भैया आपको सफाई ले लेंगे।
लेकिन इससे पहले कि गौरव मिश्रा जी बोले, मैं गौरव मिश्रा जी को भी फैक्ट चेक करना चाहती हूँ। आपने कहा राहुल गांधी ने वोट किया तो उनके पीछे जीसस क्राइस्ट की फोटो थी। मेरे रिसर्च डिपार्टमेंट ने फैक्ट चेक करके बताया है और उन्होंने कहा ये जीसस क्राइस्ट की नहीं थी। ये जो पेंटिंग थी 1932 पेंटिंग टाइटल मेडोना ओरिफ्लामा थी बाय वन निकोलाई रिरिच। तो मैं
What is the content? You just told the content was Jesus, Mary, and the Christ. That's a very famous, and the Holy Trinity was drawn. I can show you. I don't know. You just check with your content.
in his room he has a painting over there. The painting can be of whatever choice. Not
We got to know that his choice is Jesus, Mary. That's
You
all.
want to get all the things controlled by, like you said, na, government controlled temples, right? Let them control.
I want to give an
It is the
example on
7 years
that.
of Yogi.
No.
I want to give an example on that.
मैं आ रही हूँ।
I want to give an example on that.
गौरव मिश्रा जी।
First of all, I would give answer to Tahsin ji. Tahsin said that at that time there was no Congress government. So why Congress has claiming that the oldest party in this country? Number one. Then Rahul Gandhi has leave the Gandhi title. Rahul Gandhi should leave. Rahul Gandhi should leave the Gandhi title. He should take his own lineage. Okay. फिरोज गांधी जी जिसको उन्होंने भुला दिया, छोड़ दिया। और रही प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की जहां तक बात है, हमारे रत्नाकर भाई जो कह रहे हैं, उनको ये समझना चाहिए कि आज कांग्रेस की दुर्दशा क्यों है, क्यों यहां तक पहुंच गए। ठीक है, 30 वर्ष तक हम लंबे समय से हम उत्तर प्रदेश के शासन में नहीं रहे। 2017 में आए हैं और 2017 से काशी बदलना शुरू हुआ है।
I object on that. Your government was from 96 to 2002.
Yes.
I'm objecting.
There was Kalyan Singh government.
And listen to me. First, let me complete.
And Rajnath ji government.
First, let me
I will
complete.
give you the developmental
let me
record.
complete, please, sir. I'm requesting you, please let me complete. You have ruled 16 years. In last 30 years, the Uttar Pradesh. And you can't deny that. The facts and figures you can be checked by Nita. You can check it.
Can I say, एक तो पहली बात, it is so refreshing to meet such an erudite and soft-spoken SP spokesperson. मैं दिल तहे से आपको थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ। अभी हिंदी डिबेट से आ रहे, ऐसा लग रहा था कूद जाओ यहाँ पे बचने के लिए SP spokesperson से।
हम बचा। I'm a professional doctor. I'm a professional doctor.
That explains it, sir. You are an asset to SP and you are our hero. I believe that. All doctors are. Couple of points I'd like to make. You're absolutely right. BJP has ruled the UP, not just at the state level, but at the central level for the last 10 years, then Vajpayee government. But do you not also see the contradiction of what you're saying? That from 2007, I'll just finish, from 2017 till 2022, when Yogi Adityanath generally managed the whole state, why was he re-elected? I'll give you 3 examples why he was. The GDP per capita jumped from 45,000 to 62,000. The infant mortality rate was you are a doctor, you would know, was brought down by 10 points.
I will answer that.
School-going girls increased by 10 percentage points. People are not foolish, sir. People understand. अगर काम नहीं किया होता तो भाई क्यों वोट देते हो उनको?
Exactly my point. Exactly my point. आप जनता को, do you think that they do not know what they are doing? And when you say 30th to 1st, if Prime Minister goes and does sadhana, it will influence vote shares. Are you saying that Janta will judge him only in those 36 hours, 48 hours?
I didn't say that.
Said it, madam.
You said it. I didn't say that.
No. So
I didn't say that.
why is the opposition objecting?
No,
But I'm saying, why are you objecting to his going to...
We are not objecting. Nobody is objecting on that.
Let him be there for always.
He's going to be leader
You
of
have gone
opposition.
to election commission, my friend.
Leader of opposition can go.
The
are not
Tamil Nadu
objecting on
Congress
that.
committee
And I
has
want to answer
gone to
not-
the election
not to
commission
stop-
with
not-
a complaint.
I
Not to
want
stop
to
Modi
answer on
ji from
2017 and 2022 elections.
Please.
See, we lost 77 seats in UP and with a short margin of 2,200 votes. Listen to me. These are the facts. You can check it on election websites.
Loss is a loss. चाहे वो एक वोट
Now
से हो.
BJP will say that in 2004.
2012 में जीते थे.
Exactly.
Listen to me. What I said now, he was saying we are ruling for 30 years. From 30 years, once only Congress MP was from Varanasi. Rajesh Mishra was. He is also in BJP.
मैं नमामि गंगे पे भी आना चाहता हूँ, क्योंकि आपने कहा ना गंगा की हालत और बदतर हो गई है, ये फैक्ट नहीं है.
This is the fact. You tell me the. You tell me the.
Give some microbial data. Can you give some microbial data?
You come along with
Can we
me.
have a scientist
You
give
come
some
along with
microbial data of Ganga?
Come along.
You come along with
अब
me.
ऐसे there would be still be many Indians who still not gotten vaccinated. इसका कहने का मतलब है
अभी
कि
अखिलेश
दो
यादव
करोड़
खुद कहते हैं.
वैक्सीनेशन नहीं दी गई है.
Anand,
ये logic क्या
Akhilesh
है?
Yadav says he's not vaccinated.
Listen,
Really?
Yeah, he
Listen to me.
says on camera.
Akhilesh Yadav didn't get vaccinated.
Listen to me.
You're a
Akhilesh
doctor,
Yadav टीका
sir.
लगवाया.
Listen to me.
Akhilesh Yadav didn't get
लगवाया.
vaccinated.
Listen to me.
बताइए ना.
अरे भैया ने टीका लगवाया नहीं लगवाया.
Let me answer you. I am telling how does 1100
टीका लगवाया तुमने
crores
कोरोना के नहीं.
electrical bonds were given by a Covaxin company? You answer me that first. You answer me that. You are playing with
Well,
that.
we are going from Mengai,
six
we are
professors
going to
BHU,
unemployment, we are going to
Dr.
vaccinations,
Ranganathan,
we are going to
six
Ganga,
professors
but
from
we are not,
and
not
I tell
coming
you
to
the
the
fact
moot
that
point.
Covaxin-
Tell
Wrong.
me.
No.
no.
ICMR has said retract that
I
study.
saw
Don't do
that
that.
is bullying
from the
them.
blood.
Don't do that. They
How
have
can
no
they-
control.
They have
At least
fulfilled
at
all.
least
I
there is.
know it.
See, if
You
you
know
have
about
a 45.
Don't do that.
No.
I know, Dr. Shiva
No,
No.
yeah,
I personally know. See,
ICMR is just bullying, nothing else.
it's just bullying
Sir,
because
ICMR
under the
is
pressure
just
of the
bullying.
government.
Navika, please, let me
Come
finish.
on.
You know,
Any
now
study
now
that
we
is
want
done
to come
there
back
has to
It
be
is
a
done.
control.
My
There was
question,
no
my
control of
question,
people who weren't
gentlemen,
vaccinated.
let me bring the debate back on track. My question is simply this, that we are entering the last phase. I think the last 10, 12 hours, 10, 12 hours left for campaigning. I want to ask you, Ratnakar Tripathi ji, are you confident BJP का 400 पार नहीं होगा? इस पर कांग्रेस बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट है. कांग्रेस पार्टी कितने कपार होगी ये तो बता दीजिए.
मैं आपको बस गंगा की गोद में बैठा हूं तो इस बात का कॉन्फिडेंट हूं कि आप देख लीजिएगा कि नरेंद्र मोदी जी बनारस से किधर जाएंगे.
बनारस से हार रहे हैं.
क्या
We'll talk on
बनारस से
phone.
हार रहे हैं.
बनारस से हार रहे हैं
थोड़ा सा
आप.
देखिएगा
नहीं आप बताइए.
क्या रहेगा उनका, बस इतना मैंने बोला. आई एम नॉट एन एस्ट्रोलॉजर.
नहीं, फिर भी कुछ
मैं
तो
बता रहा हूँ क्या रहेगा, देखिएगा. वी विल टॉक ना. आई विल कम ऑन
गौरव मिश्रा जी.
राहुल जी जरूर 4 तारीख के बाद इटली चले जाएंगे.
लार्जेस्ट
मोदी
पार्टी
जी
जो है
यहीं-
टेम्परेचर
यहीं
टेम्परेचर होने वाला है आपकी बार 52 पार तो हो गया.
गौरव भैया, इटली से क्यों नहीं संबंध खत्म करा देते?
दूसरा रिश्ता
अरे
शुरू हो गया
जिसका
है.
ननिहाल रहेगा
चिंता
वो
छोड़
जाएगा.
दीजिए.
मेरा
चिंता छोड़
ननिहाल
दीजिए.
अहमदाबाद में अहमदाबाद जाता हूँ.
बिल्कुल जाएं जब इस
हाँ?
देश में आवश्यकता सबसे
तो
ज्यादा
आप
रहती
मुझे
है
बताइए,
उनकी.
इटली
उसी
जाना
समय वो
क्यों
इटली
रहा?
याद आता है. वाया
और मुझे
थाईलैंड,
आज सुबह
वाया
सुबह
बैंकॉक गए
मिनिस्टर
उसी
ने
समय याद
गौरव जी
आता है.
पार्लियामेंट में कहा
आज
कि
सुबह
मैंने
सुबह बड़ा मजे का फैक्ट पता लगा.
वैक्सीनेशन
4
नहीं
जून
कराया
को
है.
4
और
जून
मुझे
को
आयरलैंड में
एओ
लाइन
ह्यूम का
से बाहर
बर्थडे
कर दिया गया था क्योंकि
4
उसको
जून को
सर्टिफिकेट
जिन्होंने
चाहिए.
कांग्रेस स्थापना करी थी. द फाउंडर ऑफ कांग्रेस ही हैज हिज बर्थडे. एओ ह्यूम हैज हिज बर्थडे ऑन 4th of June.
इंडियन था ना भारतीय था.
One second.
That I don't know.
What
That
about
I don't know.
Obama?
But उनका birthday
Alan Octavian Hume. Alan Octavian Hume.
Please, let me answer it.
Yeah, but
I have studied from Central Hindu Boys School and then Banaras University. That was established by Annie Besant. And he established Central Hindu College, which later got converted in Banaras University. Was she an Indian? What about Vikaji Kama, sir? If somebody says something about good about Mr. Modi in New York or Spain, you just applaud it.
They are
My God.
Have some sense of humor. I said it in a lighter vein.
No, I am not here to.
मैं मतलब am I being critical of AO Hume कि उसने कांग्रेस पार्टी स्थापना की?
One second. No, I will say.
अब कल को मैं
Apart from no, one second, please.
Will I say is Sonia Gandhi Indian? Why did she get her passport, Indian passport after decades of being-
30 seconds.
This is
Apart
lighter.
from Hume, the other founding members of Congress of Dadabhai Naoroji from Pune, next to my house he stayed, Valcha,
He was not Indian, no?
Kyabji, Badruddin Kyabji.
Parsis are as much Indians as you and I are.
This is not fair.
So let's not go there.
Dadabhai Naoroji is the grandfather of Indian politics. Don't do this.
The way BJP is going backward, na.
Then who was the leadership
They
of
will say he
Congress?
was
Tilak, Gokhale.
Let's go forward
Tilak,
and
Gokhale.
let's
Gokhale.
go forward.
Gokhale.
Let's go
After
forward and
Gokhale.
let's come back. Let's come back to this issue. The issue is, आपको इतनी एलर्जी क्यों है अगर राम मंदिर बनता है, प्राण प्रतिष्ठा, इनविटेशन इज रिजेक्टेड?
बोले कोई एलर्जी नहीं है।
Again I'm saying.
शंकराचार्य मना कर रहे हैं, अभी शंकराचार्य की बात कर रहे थे,
गए क्यों नहीं?
अभी शंकराचार्य की बात कर रहे थे, शंकराचार्य ने मना किया। आधे अधूरे मंदिर में प्राण प्रतिष्ठा नहीं होती,
टूटने के बाद
आधे अधूरे मंदिर में प्राण प्रतिष्ठा नहीं होती।
चलाता हूँ, स्कूटर से रहता हूँ, स्कूटर से रहता हूँ, वो हमारे राजा हैं, हम उनके सामने से स्कूटर लेके पैदल निकलते हैं, बैठ के नहीं जाते हैं। हमारा उनसे है झगड़ा इस बात को, विश्वनाथ जी को लेके, इसमें कौन सी बात है?
ये तो अपने बचने का रास्ता है।
बचने का कौन सा रास्ता है?
लेकिन यहाँ के कांग्रेस विश्वनाथ मंदिर में शर्म से जाना छोड़ दिए।
आप गौरव
शर्म से जाना छोड़ दिए।
यस,
तो जाएंगे, कोई फोटो खींचेगा और बता देगा कि हम गए थे वहाँ पर।
अमित शाह जी इसलिए नहीं गए, कोई फोटो खींचेगा। अमित शाह जी
मेरा
क्यों
घर
आज भी नड्डा जी क्यों नहीं गए?
नड्डा जी और अमित शाह जी, मैंने ये सवाल उनसे पूछे हैं।
क्यों नहीं गए?
उन्होंने इसे बीजेपी का कार्यक्रम नहीं बनाना। एक मिनट, मैं बोल लूं,
नड्डा जी दर्शन करके आए भाई,
मैं बोल लूं।
नड्डा जी दर्शन करके आए।
उन्होंने कहा ये बीजेपी का कार्यक्रम नहीं था, ऋषि मुनियों ने वहाँ के
बाद में क्यों नहीं गए?
बाद में गए हैं, आपको कैसे पता कि नहीं गए हैं?
आपने क्या कहा बाद में लोग?
मुझे
क्योंकि मैंने उनसे पूछा है, क्योंकि हमने पूछा है, हमने आपसे भी पूछा है। हाँ बोलिए, राहुल गांधी गए हैं, नहीं गए हैं ना?
क्यों जाएंगे भाई, जब मन होगा तब जाएंगे।
आप क्यों जाएंगे? आप कह रहे हैं कि आपको कैसे पता? मैंने कहा क्योंकि ये सवाल पूछा है। मैं आई एम अ जर्नलिस्ट, आई हैव आस्क्ड दिस क्वेश्चन टू एवरीवन।
मैडम आपने राहुल गांधी से बात
मैं बॉयकॉटेड हूँ, मैं उनके दफ्तर से पूछती हूँ जो मेरे सवाल है। ऑफिशियली
चमचा और चमची पर आ गए हैं। राहुल गांधी को तो अपने मन का पत्र
आनंद रंगनाथन
बहन लगाते हैं।
कौन गया कोई नहीं गया, आप कह लें श्रद्धा नहीं है, वो चलिए कुछ भी, दैट कैन बी डिबेटेड, राइट?
नहीं क्यों है?
त्रिपाठी जी एक सेकंड, हाँ आप, मैंने किसी को रोक नहीं रहा। अगर नहीं जाना चाहता, बाबर
रोक भी नहीं सकते सर।
बाबर की मजार पे जाना चाहते हैं जाइए, आप राम जन्म स्थान पे नहीं जाना चाहते मत जाइए, मैं ये नहीं कह रहा। बात मुद्दे की, प्लीज सर, आई डिडंट इंटरप्ट,
बाबा विश्वनाथ को अपना
सर, आई डिडंट इंटरप्ट यू, प्लीज लिसन टू मी, आई एम मेकिंग अ ब्रॉडर पॉइंट।
चाइना में अरुण
अब
सिंह
देखिए
को
फिर
5 नंबर पार्लियामेंट के साथ 28 अगस्त 2019 को ट्रेनिंग लेने देना चाहते हैं। जाइए, मैं फोटो दिखा देता हूँ।
You are a man of formidable talent. Please, I respect you. Let me finish.
Thank you.
Please, yes. बात इसकी है कि प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप कौन लाया? अगर आपको भोलेनाथ में इतनी श्रद्धा थी, ज्ञान व्यापी, आपने हिंदुओं को वापस क्यों नहीं दिया? आपने प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप समाजवादी पार्टी मुलायम सिंह के राज में 1993 में वायलेट किया कि व्यास परिवार पे ताले लगा दिए, पीपल का पेड़ तोड़वा दिया, आपने कटवा दिया, वहाँ की गणेश की मूर्तियां हटवा दिया। विष्णु जैन से बात करिए, और आप आज हिंदू आस्था की बात करते हैं।
आज सुबह आप आस्था के दर्शन करके आई हूँ, आज मैं वो देखाने के दर्शन करके आई हूँ। एंड द नंबर्स ऑफ 1 minute, can I also make a point, sir, with your permission? मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहती हूँ that this morning I went to Kashi Vishwanath temple, and when I went there, the numbers, I asked again, have the numbers increased? The number of devotees coming here, it's gone up 4 to 5 times in the last 1 or 2 years.
In just one line.
पहले 40-50 हजार लोग आते थे, अब 2 लाख आते हैं, and they told me Saturday, Sunday, Monday, it number goes up very high. I'm just saying, आप लोग कहते हैं राम लहर नहीं है, श्रद्धा का कोई मतलब नहीं है. Why are more people coming to temples anymore? Tell me.
नहीं, I am telling you, I am answering you on this. मुझे आप एक चीज बताएं, आपने स्वर्ण मंदिर देखा है?
बिल्कुल देखा है.
देखा है?
बिल्कुल देखा है.
वहाँ फीस लगती है, वीआईपी लाइन की फीस लगती है. लंगर में खाना मिलता है? मिलता है. कहाँ से मिलता है? कहाँ से वो लोग अरेंज करते हैं? यहाँ फीस लगती है कि नहीं लगती है? मुझे ये बता दो आप. बनारस की इसी काशी की जनता उन गरीब लोगों से पैसा वसूल करके,
मुझे बता दीजिए, अगर आप एक गुरुद्वारे और मंदिर को कर रहे हो तो मंदिरों में कभी लंगर नहीं लगे और गुरुद्वारे में हमेशा से लंगर लगे.
80 करोड़ को आप कहते हो अनाज बांट रहे हो, देश को आपने बेरोजगारी के लावन में लगा दिया. हंगर इंडेक्स में देखो कहाँ पे है,
इज दिस
पावर्टी इंडेक्स में कहाँ पे है?
रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन,
आप ये
रिटेल इन्फ्लेशन कितनी है डॉक्टर साहब?
विश्वनाथ जी का दर्शन कर रहे हो, मोदी जी को वोट दे
रहे हैं आपके साथ.
I'm not saying. I'm not saying.
You said it.
Who said it about vote?
गुरुद्वारों में सरकार का कंट्रोल नहीं है. गोल्डन टेम्पल में, स्वर्ण मंदिर में सरकार का कंट्रोल नहीं है. देयर इज नो गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल, बट ऑन मंदिर देयर इज अ गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल एंड दैट्स व्हाट
आप हटाना चाहते हैं गवर्नमेंट कंट्रोल हिंदू टेम्पल से कि नहीं? हाँ ना में जवाब दीजिए.
मुझे एक चीज बताइए, क्यों होना चाहिए?
ना में जवाब दीजिए.
नहीं, मैं बहुत सीधी सी बात बोल रहा हूँ.
या तो मॉस्क पे लगाइए कंट्रोल, वो भी नहीं चाहिए.
देखिए, चैरिटी बिगिंस एट होम ना.
अरे मैं तो
गुड,
मैंने किताब लिखी है, बीजेपी शुड डू.
नहीं तो let us, you are comparing a Gurudwara and a Mandir. A Gurudwara is not in government control. People run it. They do whatever they do. Here there is government control. Should it be removed? Should it be removed? Yes or no?
What?
Government control on Mandirs. Should it be removed?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, then that's not part of the Congress manifesto. 1 minute. 1 minute. That's not part of the Congress manifesto. The Congress manifesto. Congress manifesto's part is what will they do for minorities and how they will respect personal laws of minorities.
From lots of things.
Just a minute.
They are earning money from lots of things. They have not.
Navika madam, have you studied law?
No, sir.
Please study.
ऐसे
There's a whole book on Hindu law.
रिटोरिकल क्वेश्चन ये तो थोड़ा
I'm a journalist. I've done.
Like you are saying about the Muslim law, minority law. I'm telling you what government of India did, what UP government did. They abolished HUF, Hindu United Family Law, which benefited the United Family structure. What are you saying, ma'am? और मैं आपको बताऊँ ना, with due respect to you,
आपने जो
आपको
किया,
पता है, हाँ?
आपकी सरकार ने जो शाहबानों के साथ किया,
अच्छा,
नहीं शाहबानों के साथ,
अच्छा वो शाहबानों के साथ किया तो आपका जायज हो गया.
जस्टिस.
हाँ, मैं आपको एक बात और बता दूं.
आप बताइए ना.
भैया आप बताइए, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या कहता है? आई एम नॉट द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन.
Are we a secular country or not?
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्या कहता है?
कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तो कहता है, आप बताइए.
मैं क्यों बताऊं, आप बताइए ना. मैं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में जाऊं.
Tushar Mehta in Supreme Court. Why? He defended it.
I mean, you make it sound like that.
I'm saying
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन जिन व्यास साहब की बात किए थे आप ना, योगी गवर्नमेंट में उनको एक खिड़की रिपेयर करने की अनुमति नहीं दी, रोते हुए मर गए जाके किराए के मकान में. ये बात मत बोलिएगा. अभी चलिएगा, अभी आज के परिवार से बात कराऊंगा, अभी बात कराऊंगा चल के.
क्या ये सच है कि ये झूठ है? आप मुझे देखिए
क्या चीज?
कि 1993 में प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट का उल्लंघन करते हुए आपने वहां ताला लगाया. सच है कि झूठ है? डोंट गो रनिंग अराउंड एनेक्डोट्स.
पिछले 10 साल से सत्ता में हैं. यू अबॉलिश एवरीथिंग.
मैं तो कह रहा हूँ बीजेपी की गलती है.
We are asking you this question because you are hopeful of coming to power. So we need to know what your intentions
You are
are.
hopeful that we are not coming. You are not a journalist in that sense, I will say.
मैं कह रही हूँ, we are asking you.
You are hoping that we are
coming to
Why
us.
did you see?
My opinion doesn't matter.
Yes, it matters.
How does it matter?
Just a minute. Now, Mr. Navika Kumar ji, did we say that we are hopeful?
You're not?
We are
Not
saying
even hopeful.
we are coming. You affixed hopeful. Because you are hopeful that BJP government will come.
No, sir.
Yes,
no, sir.
ma'am.
I am
Yes,
till
ma'am.
date asking the
Yes,
question.
ma'am.
कौन आ रहा
Why
है?
did you affix
कौन आ रहा है?
One second.
It is the
This
legitimate
kind of-
question that I will ask. Who is coming? I don't know. आप अंतर्यामी होंगे, मैं नहीं. आप अंतर्यामी होंगे, मैं नहीं हूँ. मैं नहीं दावा करती. लेकिन सवाल ये है, आपको दिक्कत है. If I say,
मोदी आ रहा है.
मोदी आ रहा है. हम लोग कर रहे हैं इंडिया गठबंधन आ रहा है.
क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
हम कह रहे हैं इंडिया गठबंधन.
हाँ तो होपफुल क्या? आई एम प्रेडिक्टिंग इट. आई एम नॉट होपफुल ही शुड कम. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग ही शुड कम.
नहीं,
ही विल कम.
hopeful. She affixed hopeful.
For you, not for her.
No.
We are running around
I
circles out
categorically
here.
said that we are
Because,
coming.
of course, I will say you are
She should
hopeful
have
of
said
making
you
a
believe that
government.
you are coming.
You are hopeful of making a
she should have
government,
said-
and you will remain hopeful till Mamta Banerjee joins your meeting. No. Till Mamta Banerjee joins your meeting, you will remain hopeful. They will remain hopeful. Both sides are hoping that they come to power. What is?
That you believe that
You are right to believe. I am. not going to
You come
believe.
in
I am
power.
going to
No, I'm
only
not
wonder
asking you to believe.
whether no.
I'm just asking you
you
to
don't
say
airbrush
Sir,
history.
my
that
beliefs,
Ratnakar-
please leave to
Ratnakar
me.
Tripathi, you believe.
Ratnakar ji, do not airbrush history. The moment you come to power, you start Muslim appeasement on such a massive scale.
Oh.
Was it not the fact Shah Bano judgment was not yours?
Yeah.
Was it not a fact 4% reservation, blanket reservation?
And
So you
what
are agreeing
about-
with it.
what about
Well,
the-
I only
What
want to
about
say,
Ayata?
I only
Madhya
want to
Pradesh
say,
of 30, 40 classes
even the prime minister,
है?
even the prime minister, आपको मंदिर जाना है नहीं जाना है आपकी मर्जी. But when I say you are hopeful of coming to power, as just they are hopeful of coming to power, you have a problem
Now
with
it
that.
is equated.
I am not convinced
Now
of
you
either
equated. I
side.
like
I will believe the numbers when they come on the 4th of June. I'm not saying, I'm hearing this side and I'm hearing
Yes.
this side, and both sides are hopeful of coming. Who will finally make it? I don't know. But the fact of the matter is, in the last 12 hours or 24 hours that the Prime Minister wants to go and do sadhana and meditation, even that is being seen as something that will influence votes. Is this fear? Is this tension? Or is this confidence that they are not hoping, they are coming, but they are still worried कि मोदी last round में कहीं कुछ और वोट ना बटोर ले? Does that show confidence to you? Viewers, you be the judge, because from where I'm looking at this, I don't know, but if for a third time Modi gets a hat-trick from Kashi and the BJP gets a hat-trick in this round of elections, then clearly some sort of history will be made. And if it is a majority government that comes to power, then certainly times of coalition governments would be over, and politics, democracy, and the entire constitutional safeguarding abhiyan will have to be re-looked at on the 4th of June. Join us just as you joined us right here for the coverage from Kashi. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me, and thank you viewers. Signing off from Varanasi. We'll be back in the studios with the latest tomorrow evening, same time, same place, and the same show. News Hour at 9. Good night.